Fishes primarily rely on gills for respiration, but many species have evolved accessory respiratory organs to supplement or replace gill function, particularly in oxygen-poor environments or during periods of drought. These organs represent adaptations to diverse aquatic habitats and lifestyles. 1. Types of accessory respiratory organs. Suprabranchial organs. Found in species like Clarias, these complex structures consist of a chamber, air trees, fans, and a respiratory membrane that facilitates gas exchange from the air. Buccopharyngeal cavity. The lining of the mouth and pharynx can be highly vascularized and adapted for gas exchange, absorbing oxygen directly from the air or water. This is common in many air-breathing fishes. Gut. The intestinal lining in some species is modified for gas exchange, allowing the fish to absorb oxygen from air swallowed or water passing through the gut. Skin. Thin, highly vascularized skin can be effective in oxygen absorption, especially in species inhabiting shallow, oxygen-poor waters. This is more significant in smaller fishes with a high surface area to volume ratio. Labyrinth organs. These specialized structures, found in labyrinth fishes e.g., Anabas testudineus, are highly vascularized chambers connected to the gills, enabling them to breathe atmospheric air. Vascularized fins. Certain species have modified fins, particularly pelvic fins, that possess extensive vascular networks allowing for atmospheric oxygen uptake. Modified gill structures. In some species, gill structures themselves are modified to increase surface area or enhance gas exchange efficiency in low oxygen environments. 2. Functions of accessory respiratory organs. Oxygen supplementation. In environments with low dissolved oxygen, accessory organs provide an essential supplemental oxygen source. Air breathing. Some species, particularly those inhabiting shallow, stagnant waters or temporarily dry environments, utilize accessory organs for atmospheric respiration. Estivation. During droughts, certain fishes rely on accessory organs to survive prolonged periods out of water. Terrestrial excursions. Some species capable of short-term terrestrial locomotion use these organs to obtain oxygen while on land. 3. Significance of accessory respiratory organs. The development of accessory respiratory organs demonstrates remarkable adaptation in fishes. This diversity reflects the selective pressures of varying aquatic habitats, from oxygen-poor waters to temporary pools and even terrestrial environments. The presence of these organs greatly expands the ecological niche occupied by these fish species, enabling them to thrive in environments unsuitable for species relying solely on gills for respiration. In summary, the evolution of accessory respiratory organs in fishes reflects a remarkable capacity for adaptation to various aquatic environments, allowing them to survive and thrive in conditions otherwise limiting for species exclusively using gills for respiration. These varied organs highlight the diverse strategies employed by fishes to secure adequate oxygen for survival.